Respected the past and present members of the authorities of our Sardar Patel University and its administrative staff, my beloved teachers and esteemed colleagues in the PG Department of Biosciences and co-workers in other departments and various sections of University Administrative Office, Computer Center, University Press, USIC, Health Center and Community Radio Center, and also office bearers and Executive Committee of SPUTA, my dear students, friends, relatives and well-wishers. As some of you may be aware that I am going to retire soon. With this message, I wish to inform you that my last working day in the service of our Sardar Patel University is October 31st, 2020. And from 1st November 2020, I will be no longer on the role of Sardar Patel University staff. Looking back on my tenure in Vallabhijanagar, I am thankful I lived in Vallabhijanagar for more than 41 years. First, as a student of Sardar Patel University, that is during 1979 to 81 as a student of MSc Botany, and thereafter for PhD from 1981 to 86, and subsequently as the employee of the university for more than 34 years. I joined in services of SV University in the year 1986 as a technician, and subsequently I was appointed as a lecturer in botany in the year 1989, became reader in 1998 and professor in 2006. So I have been with you all for almost 35 years now. I am so thankful of having been given the opportunity when I was only 28 years old to join this forward-thinking and well-recognized university. When I joined this university over 41 years ago, I did not think I would ever get to make this speech. At the outset, I sincerely thank our beloved teachers of Biosciences Department who taught me the art of learning, and today whatever I am, I owe it due to the ethics and value-based education imparted by our great teachers in the Biosciences Department. I am grateful to them forever in my life. I want to acknowledge all the wonderful colleagues and co-workers I have worked with over the years who gave me great personal and career support. I express my sincere gratitude to the past and present members of our university authorities and its administrative staff, my esteemed teaching faculty and non-teaching faculty colleagues, and support staff of our Bioscience Department for extending all the possible help and cooperation, for enabling me to perform all my duties with utmost sincerity, full integrity and very high devotion. Some of you are newer than some of us old-timers, but we have all managed over the years to get along and grow as a unit, dividing up our areas of expertise yet coming together when it was required. I take this opportunity to express my sense of gratitude to co-workers in the other departments for their help, support and cooperation in formulating interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary research programs and collectively running a common program of Center with Potential for Excellence in particular area under the coordinatorship of Professor N.V. Sastry. The UGC and general sections deserve special mention of my acknowledgement for helping and cooperating me from the time of forwarding project proposal to the stage of forwarding the project completion report. Likewise, I express my sincere thanks to the manager and staff of our university press for helping me for 5 years in performing my duties as a managing editor of Prajna, the research journal of pure and applied sciences published by our Sardar Patel University. I take this opportunity to profusely thank the director and staff of Computer Center for helping me in publicizing the advertisements of my research projects and uploading the soft copies of Prajna journal on our university website. My sincere thanks are also due to the medical officer and staff of our University Health Center for taking care of my health till today, especially after my heart surgery in 2008 and spine surgery in 2019. I have been in charge of our Bioscience Department for procurement of books for almost 20 years, and in this regard, I gratefully acknowledge the full support and cooperation extended by the librarian and staff of our University Central Library, that is Baikaka Library. I am also thankful to the head and staff of USIC for taking care of maintaining the instruments of our research laboratory. I make a special mention of community radio station for taking utmost care in recording my talk and my PhD students' talk on our research activity and broadcasting it through our university's FM radio. I will fail in my duty if I don't acknowledge the great support I received from the past and present office bearers and executive committee members of SPUTA. I had a wonderful experience of working with SPOTA as its life member and also as its office bearer, as the treasurer for 2 terms and as vice president for 1 term. I am truly grateful to SPOTA for all the support I received from it. Working with you all has been a great pleasure, and on a more serious note, over the years I have learned something valuable from each one of you, and I am thankful for all those lessons which enlightened me. I am also thankful to our neighboring institutes, that is Directorate of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants and the Horticulture Department of Anand Agriculture University, for allowing me to take our students for their study visit for the past several years. Besides, my PhD students who got national and international recognition for the research work in our laboratory deserve special mention of appreciation and gratitude. Above all, life in the Bioscience Department was full of activities and joyful all throughout under the platform of sports. It is an unforgettable time and experience in our life, and thanks to all the ex officio members and fellow SPUPS members. Here I make a special mention of a regular visitor of our SPUPS alumnus, Dr. Bhima Rao, who extended me all the possible help in organizing a mega event of SPUPS alumni meet on 28th February 2011.
Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
2011. Similarly, fun-filled hostel life during my MSc and PhD in Nehru Hall and the Old Men's Hostel can be cherished for lifelong. All throughout my service period, we lived in our university staff colony in a very peaceful atmosphere, and all our family members remain grateful forever to all our neighbors for their love, affection, kind cooperation and help. I would like to take a moment to share with you all my sincere gratitude for my time spent working here at Sardar Patel University. Nothing succeeds like success, and this university has been a wonderful success story. I am privileged to have been part of that success, along with some of already retired people and other people who are no longer with us. I believe that this great university will continue to grow, and I trust that each one of you will be happy and fulfilled here. Keep up the good work. You have been a wonderful team to work with. Although I am looking forward to a new and exciting chapter in my life, I have to be honest, I feel emotionally imbalanced, keeping myself away from you physically. Another reason why I am grateful for my career here is because our university values quality, integrity, honesty and fair play. They were so aligned with my ideology. I have never had to do anything that even remotely compromised my values. Indeed, I hope that supported and strengthened the university values. At the same time, I would like to say that this is retirement from job, but not from your thoughts. I also take this opportunity to convey my heartfelt thanks to my classmates, friends, relatives and well-wishers who extended their moral support and guidance, and my family members, my wife Vasanti and children Ravikiran and Sirisha and her husband Raviteja for their wholehearted support in performing my duties. Here I remember my parents who are not in this world. I pay my grateful tributes to them for their love, affection and sacrifices from my childhood. Thank you for your support and friendship for over 34 years. My soul is with the university, filled with special memories of our time, even though I am away from this place. Thanks for everything. I am going to miss you all. Only physically, but not emotionally. I offer my services to the university and department whatever way possible for me. On my personal behalf and on behalf of all my family members, I sincerely thank our university and our Biosciences department for everything that I narrated before. Thank you all once again.